Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. And yesterday when we were discussing about selling opportunity below 3321, honestly, I was not expecting this at all. We had a support around 3300, 3303 area. We got a bounce also. Okay, the minor bounce we were expecting, but obviously the selling pressure was too high. Okay, market could not survive and market broke the support. Now we can see that gold is trading in a narrow range right now. Okay, right now we don't know whether gold will be going up from here to survive above 3300 or gold is going down. Means selling pressure was there, but at this moment, okay, we do not have a clear picture. But yes, if we look at the market structure here, then technically we have a bearish structure. Means market is forming lower highs and lower lows. But as we all know, gold is not very easy to predict, and gold, okay, has become really difficult in the last few days, so we need to be extra careful. And if we look at the market sentiment, you can see gold edges higher on possible technical recovery. So market is expecting some sort of recovery on the chart of gold. Means there's a possibility of gold going above 3300 again. Gold edges higher on. Okay, we have been to this. Okay, so gold holds heavy loss. Gold traded around 3300 per ounce on Wednesday after a sharp sell-off in the previous session, as a stronger US dollar and improving risk sentiment weighed on the precious metal. So my dear friends, we can see the market sentiment is also pointing towards an upside. Not a complete trend reversal where gold will be going for all-time high, but yes, there is a possibility of a technical recovery. So this is the daily chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that, okay, if all the market sentiment, okay, goes wrong and if gold falls again, okay, we can expect the 50 moving average to provide support to the market. Right now, I cannot give you the exact number because 50 moving average is a dynamic support. If you want to know the numbers in real time, you can just add the 50 moving average on your chart as well. So if market drops, you can expect the 50 moving average to provide support to the market. I think it will be around 3220 or 322530. Okay, because right now it is showing 3214 area. So by the time market falls, it will be around 3220, 3230. Okay, and if you look at a 4-hour chart of gold, then on the 4-hour chart of gold also we can see that we do not have a clear picture. But yes, if market breaks this particular level here, means if market breaks 3280, a big fall may come. Okay, this is the only indication from the 4-hour time frame, and this is our beloved hourly chart. So as you can clearly see that this is a very crucial support. So during the day, okay, during the day, if market comes around 3280, 3283 area, we can look for a buy position. Right now we can look for a buy position because we can clearly see there is not much volume in the market. To break any level or to go, or for gold to break this particular area or zone, we need volume. Without volume, there cannot be a breakout or breakdown. So without breakout, or without volume, we can expect a bounce around this area as well. If you see the market has entered the zone, switch to a lower time frame like 5 or 15 minutes, observe the market. If you see the market is taking support, you can look for a buy position. Initially you can target 50 to 70 pips. If you see further potential, you can hold the trade. Okay, and we also have a minor support around 329087 area. You can also expect a minor support around this area as well. So these are the two levels where we can look for a bounce, quick bounce, temporary bounce during the day as a day trader only. If you're a swing trader, then this is obviously not the ideal time to place any new trades. And we have FOMC coming up during the US session. You can see we have FOMC coming up, so please be careful. Okay, during the FOMC minutes, if market is really volatile, okay, then okay, things might get crazy, especially if you see gold going below 3280 after the news. You can look for a sell as well. So after the news, when the market will be volatile, please follow the trend of the market. That is the only solution. And before the news, if you see market like this, then you can look for a bounce around 3280, 8281 or 329087 area. These are the minor support. And if market goes up from here, then we can look for a sell opportunity around 332723 area. 332723 So the previous support will be working as resistance here. Okay, the logic, and we can also see the moving averages are also there. So if market goes up from here, we can expect that market will face some resistance. And as a day trader, here also we can look for a sell position. And if you see the market has gained momentum suddenly during the day, then around 3349, 3350. Okay, also we can look for a sell opportunities as well. Okay, so you can see that we have a sideways kind of a market. That's why we are looking for trading opportunities on both the sides. For example, when market was bearish, we were only looking for sell opportunities. When market was extremely bullish, we were only looking for buy opportunities. But right now we do not have any clear direction, so we are looking for trading opportunities on both the sides of the market. Okay, and if you are looking for more levels, then we need to switch to a lower time frame. But always keep in mind that trading opportunities on lower time frame are less reliable in comparison to the hourly time frame. So please be careful. If you're a beginner, new trader, then obviously you should avoid, yes, you should strictly avoid trading on a lower time frame. Okay, so you can see here during the day, okay, if market goes up, then we have a 30 pips buying opportunity above 3317 as well. Okay, this is another opportunity that you can try to grab. Okay, during the day, if you see market is going above 3316 area, you can buy above this area. Okay, then you can also look for a buy above 332728 area as well. For example, during the European session, US session, market is bullish. Okay, and you have taken a sell around this particular zone, the yellow box. Suppose you score 30-40 pips also. After that, you see market going up again. Then if you see the market is going above 3328, you can look for a buy as well. Means one level, one zone, but two trading opportunities. If market reverses, we can look for a sell. If market breaks the level, we can look for a buy above it. But these are a little bit risky areas. Okay. So if you are confused right now, let me wrap it up. So goal is trying to survive above 3280 area, and if market breaks 3280 during the FOMC or after FOMC, a heavy selling may come. If market does that, we can look for a sell below 3280 as well. But before the FOMC, if market stays like this, means low volume, then we can look for a bounce around 328083 or 329087. These are the two minor support levels right now where we can look for a bounce due to lack of volume. When volume will come, then there's a high chance that market will break it and we can look for a sell below it. Okay, and if market goes up from here, then we can look for a sell around 273324 or 23 area. Okay, because of the previous support that will be acting as resistance here. Then we also have another selling opportunity on 3349, 3350. These are the two previous resistances, a support that will be working as resistances. And as a day trader, if you love to take some risk, if you can afford to take some risk, then you can also look for a quick buy of 30-40 pips above 3317 and 332829 area as well. Overall, the market has been indecisive, and as we have been discussing for last few days that gold has been really crazy. Many of you have shared your stories also that you have lost a good amount of money in the last few days because you were finding it difficult to trade on gold. Your strategies are not working. Yes, I do agree, because I have also opined the same thing, because in the last few days gold have been showing us many things that we did not expect at all. One thing that I have observed personally is that the reversal trades were not working nicely. The breakout or the breakdowns were working. So be careful and follow proper risk management. And if you're a new trader, beginner, finding it difficult to understand the nature of gold, then obviously you can look for opportunities outside gold as well. For example, dollar index is going up, so obviously selling opportunities on euro USD are more promising right now. Okay. So, and one more thing I would like to add here is that, okay, feel free to be a part of the free Telegram community, because if anything crazy happens on the chart of gold, okay, you will get the update on the free Telegram community. For example, yesterday when gold started falling, okay, we can see that I posted an update like this. So please join the Telegram community. The link will be in the description. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.